Subscribe to Nigeria's Craziest. Press the bell icon and never miss another video update.
Nigeria's Craziest does not add review of any political parties, individuals, or religious group. This show is just for comedy purposes only. It might contain scenes with strong languages, strong satirical humor, links to a relative you might know, and references some may find offensive. If that kind of thing will offend you, because close your browser now and get out of here. Get out of here, man! Shit, I'm saying! Because that's what we do!
Comedians are absolutely insane. That is illegal.
Hello guys, welcome to this episode. Prophet Umboro. It has been long since I saw Umboro. Umboro, my guy.
I didn't even know that Umboro still used to try to perform miracle.
I thought he has left that since. I thought he has left that life. It's no longer about that.
I didn't know. I was opportune to bust into his live video.
Yeah. What about his big church? Since they don't open church now, he's now holding a private miracle session.
Small one. Where he need to pray to people who have a problem. I don't know. Maybe a lot of things just happening. Because the way he was praying and then kicking somebody from the stomach. If the person have vomit something now, they will say
miracle.
It's miracle.
It's a thing that they are praying for.
You don't know that if you kick somebody, there is a tendency. There is a tendency.
You said
change it. I have to correct myself.
You said tendency.
Yes, I
said
tendency.
Something else.
Tendency.
You now said tendency.
Is either you call it tendency or tendency. Yes.
Well, then what is tendency?
So when you kick somebody in the stomach, it goes off to his mouth. So you will now, when you kick, you do pem. You see, that's pem.
Density, okay.
Density that's when you look at himself or herself and look at her.
It's okay.
I don't want to best.
It's okay.
I don't want to
best.
It's
okay.
If you best now, everything can scatter.
It's okay. I've heard you. So let's go back to Umboro.
So we was able to, burst into it where he was praying for a woman. The woman's visa is on is it visa or pass first? The pass first is on ground. So the pass first is on the ground. People are queuing off. Now the woman it was not free. I don't like to do woman again. Never like touch my head. Don't touch me. Don't you are not anybody. Don't come here.
I want to pray for you now.
Don't
like
Umboro.
I
don't want. I will bite you. I don't like any somebody touch. So now touch the head. The next thing I will see, I was not seeing you kicking somebody's stomach.
Should they watch the video?
Please, you have to watch it.
Now this is happening. Buyelani apha nibuya khona. Naziyabuyela. Ziyabuyela. Inkosi Yesu. Amandla wakho. Angenile kubo. Ndiyaweva. Itsho. Ndiyaweva. Ndi-strong. Ndiyazinikezela kuwe.
Liyapha uyethi babamburi kubi
Amandla wazo
mtate mburi amake
ayaphelela. Umoya wakho ungenile kubo. Itsho. Vuma le nto nditsho. Vuma. Ithi umoya wakho awungene kubo. Ndiyawamkela. Go. Be strong. Ndiyazinikezela. Ndiyasukuma. Ndinamandla. Concentrate. Lalela. Concentrate uvumela uThixo. That tissue.
I waited for miracle. Maybe the woman will vomit something, or something will come out from the air.
The way he was even using his hand to be touching things, touching things, then he will not stand close. His leg will not be brushing the woman's breast. Hi, Mboro.
Not brush breast.
His leg was touching the breast. He will stand like this with his hand.
I see. First of all,
Prophet.
if you want to pray for somebody, pray. You want to kill the woman.
For how many minutes you were choking her? What were you praying for? You were holding her head, choking her, pressing, choking, kicking stomach. What were you praying for? That I will not go immediately.
He nearly want break the woman neck. He put the hand, he want about the dada. He did. Which part of our body is the problem? Is it the stomach or the head?
She never have passport.
I know even a passport one day for grand. Is it that they deny our passports and the problem is from the stomach or from the head, and they are convinced? I don't know the essence of that touching stomach. Or you touch with leg, you nourish. He use antidepressant. Is it that she not conceive? Is it that I don't understand the kind of deliverance, or is it deliverance or prayer?
What is this now? This is like a private deliverance session.
You know, some churches they have.
You know they have closed the churches now. So this is now Mboro's private. You didn't know that South Africa closed churches.
The old churches.
Now when not the prophet they were.
Okay, they were protesting.
So maybe this is
that's true.
Mboro's private deliverance session.
Okay.
To deliver this woman from whatever spirit. You know, if we do something like this now, we'll get customers. Because people have been calling to come for. They have problems where we're in Africa. I swear, people have problems in Africa. Plenty problems. They will call. Some people will say, "Oh, man of God, I've graduated school since how many years? I've not had a job. I'm suffering. I'm this." And it's, you know, the problem. It's always South Africans. I swear.
South Africans call more.
South Africans call more. You know why? They don't want to work. The government have spoiled most South Africans.
How?
They give them. One South African lady wrote me now. She said everything is free there. Now since Mandela, that Mandela gave house, food, everything is free.
Yes, let's go to South Africa. I want to go there.
For South Africans, so
okay.
Not for foreigners, so.
Okay.
For South Africans are enjoying now.
But
what has our government given us?
This thing you're saying, is it true?
It's true.
So you know you are the one in charge of the phone call messages. So I know most time when we are together, we receive a lot of calls. So these people that are this is the reason a lot of self-acclaimed crockests.
It's there because they believe that if the government can give them free, why can't the pastor give them free? So that mentality, that is why they are easily taken advantage of. If the government can be giving us free things, why not? But now things are becoming hard for the government. The government has basically sold them to China.
How?
All the loan the government has collected, Chinese loan. Chinese have started collecting all their lands in South Africa now.
The way it is in Nigeria too, they have used.
So let's go back to Umboro. We have side steps. Umboro, please, don't go and kill somebody's mother in the name of deliverance. Whether na deliverance be this, I be deliverance. But this is not a deliverance. Using kicking stomach, pressing breast, using leg to do breast like this. He was using his leg to do breast like this.
Breast. He choking the stomach.
But he's standing close to the breast. The breast, it was too close for comfort. When you are standing close to breast like that, it's too close for comfort. You know, holding somebody's head and choking like this.
It's painful stuff.
That is not delivery. It's pain. You are trying to remove. Maybe she's pregnant now. You choke it and the baby.
If like that woman now, let's say she pregnant in 2 months, in her kick it, the woman now lost pregnancy. They will say it's that pregnant lost, so that is when she want to born. That's why it lost it. That is a miracle.
It's a miracle. You know. But you need to change your ways. I'm surprised you not even burn candle this time. Maybe you'd have burn candle on the woman's head.
You know, whenever he wants to burn candle, that it will always be you have problem with somebody.
Okay.
You must always burn
but I still have
candle
problem
on
with
that person.
this suits he wears. But why can't he just wear normal color suit? He always has to wear all this pattern so looking like Apostle Suleiman. Apostle Suleiman will wear half and half. You wear one that is checkered. One is you can wear one that is checkered, one is red. Or one is checkered, one is yellow.
Well, it's very rubbish combination.
Apostle Suleiman suit is a sight for sore eyes.
Maybe like say the tailor with this one na problem. Go carry another somebody clothes cut am. Make me one don lost because Baba need to wear new clothes that day. So they had to just join it. So Baba will manage it. It's a new style, it's a new trend. You will be the first person to wear it. So people will now emulate it, they will emulation you. From there, people will start
as the pioneer
yes.
of the suit. Thank you guys for watching this episode. I will see you on the next episode. For a talking fee, you can have a product display here. You can be our patron from $1 to as much as $1,000. You can please don't swallow me.
Well, they're hungry.
Don't swallow me.
Let's do a video with I'm hungry.
$1 to as much as $1,000, you can become my patron. Don't forget we have our merchandise on YouTube. All the links is in the description. Don't forget, please subscribe to our backup channel. It's called My African Truth. Please go there, subscribe. The link is also in the description. Don't forget, guys, question everything because number is boring. Thank you.